Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel guys, and today guys I'll just show you quickly what I found in Matalan, Home Bargains, Primark and B&M. So yeah, let's start with the haul. So maybe I start with what is this? I forgot. This is Home Bargains. Yes, so Home Bargains first item is this Santa hat.
You can tell
because it's so cheap. Yeah, it's Home Bargains, but I
Because
add
it's
also
Home
Morrisons.
www or what, I don't know.
Yeah, because
Depends if you're saying phonics or
I also
alphabet.
add Home Bargains, Morrisons here.
.co.uk.
Yeah, okay, so next stop is
Yes, co means
this
come.
pens,
Come.
which my son said
Like
his teacher is using, so you know,
The
I might
purple
give it.
Purple and pink.
Yeah, so
I do
might-
why she's using pink as well.
Okay, so I might give it. And then every time I go to Home Bargains, I also grab this Sensodyne. It's because it's cheaper than in Boots. In Boots, it's like $2.50, but there is just $1.70, $1.75, $1.80 like that. And then Dove. I don't know. I like this Dove. Good smell. And then I also grab this things to do for my son's teacher. It's really nice because, you know, look at when you open, it's like that only. You can put everything that you have to do, you know. It's good for, yeah, it's good for teachers and you have business. And then this one is in Morrisons because this is like mix of Morrisons also. So this one,
You
6
should
pence.
give it to the
glitter.
head teacher, Mommy.
Yeah, I like it.
This notebook should be for the head teacher.
And this is also from Morrisons because when I try to,
Mommy,
you know, yeah.
that notebook should be for the head teacher.
Yeah, okay. So I just like it for my records, guys. I don't know. I prefer this one than the other
We have
type.
something like that for our pictures.
This one, I think, it's in Morrisons also. Yeah. Just to keep something more important that I need so quick. And then, by the way, this is in Home Bargains. This is so cheap. £3, something like that, $2.99. It's because I feel like I need to add more. Actually, my Christmas tree is not yet fully, but I will just search slowly because I'm waiting for like some sale. Sometimes end of like before 25 we have some sale already, so I wanted to buy that
Touch the
time.
balloon.
So I'm always like that. I'm buying late so that I can buy sell. So but this one is not sell, so but it's okay because I want a little bit bigger. Most of that are small. And then I have another from from Home Bargains. It's purple. Ano? Yeah, it's purple. Then yeah, just to store my records. And then I have white ink. And then I have, I bought lock also for my garden because the one I have before from Poundland, it's okay, but I lost it actually. I don't know. Around the garden, maybe.
Oh, I know what it is, Mom. It's outside.
No, because like that.
I
so-
know what it is. I know the blue part of it.
Yeah, the blue part, but the main part I'm looking. I forgot.
Oh.
You know, sometimes I open and I forgot to return it. That's why I lost it. So, but it's durable. It's like the water cannot stay, so it will not be
I like it because
rusty.
it's red and black.
Yeah, it's actually my son likes red.
Mommy's
And then-
Santa. Mommy's girl Santa.
Easy writing. This one again, ballpoint. I like
Santa
it.
Claus.
And then this
Hello,
one,
Santa
bubbles.
Claus. I know your secret. You're alive. Oh, you're more than 1,000. You're
I purchased
8,000.
this for my son's
Oh.
party bags in the future. Because in Home Bargains, they don't have the same all the time. And this one, where I bought it? In Home Bargains or where is it? Home Bargains, I guess. Or Morrisons. I forgot. And then let's go. Oh no, I have more here from Home Bargains.
Mommy.
Oh, I have Matalan also, yeah. Let me show you Matalan. This is sale, guys. Look at this.
Mommy.
Yeah.
Can we do live now?
Yeah, after this. I just showed them so quick. This is
Fine.
only, it's 22 pound and I purchased this for 11 pound. Is it amazing? Yeah, they have many more actually there. So if you will go to Matalan, check it out. I have dressing gown here, but it's for winter and it's very hot when it's summer. So I need one more.
Level, you know.
Okay, look, I didn't check it there, but it's size small, so it should be fine. Yeah, it's okay. And then I grab another trouser in Matalan. This one is not sale, but since my son likes this Matalan trouser, I purchased for him. But this is for 7 years old. But you like this, that you don't have any zipper. He doesn't like with zipper. So this one doesn't have. Because normally,
I thought you mean like with the design.
no, because school trouser is just the same. So he doesn't like with zipper, guys. So this one doesn't have, and it's 7 years old. Normally with zipper already, you know. And then, yeah, this is from another store, but Home Bargain still. But I purchased again because my son said really the teacher likes it.
No, the teacher uses it.
The teacher use it. And then this,
yeah, and they use it for the kids as well.
yeah, and then this one, drawing pad. You use this to draw, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so draw right now what you want to be for your room. And then some pens.
Oh.
Actually, yesterday I went to B&M and they have so many sale, guys, which is I have B&M over here. And I wanted to buy that famous 10 pens, but different color. And 20 pound only from 40 pound. And then the other one a little bit less, 20 pound, then 10 pound now. So head to your B&M if you want. This one, Harry Potter. So yeah. Look at that. You can do like that. I forgot the price of this. And then another one, organizer and notebook set. Yes, this is, I like it, guys. I like this one. You have here to-do list, remember, like that. And at the same time, the inside. Because I like to write, you know, and organize my day writing. So this is good if you're like me. Then, oh, this one is very cheap. And it's white linen and lily. This is 190 or 2 pound. It's really cheap. And I purchased another day, the next day. The same actually, yeah, where is it? Yeah, just for Alex teacher again, to-do list. The way.
Then get one for the head teacher and one for the Pele.
Okay, Miss Pelea. Okay, and then another.
Because the head teacher needs to say that so she can remember what to say to the teachers and things like that.
Yeah, and then baking soda, I use it to clean and, yeah, just to clean actually. Cleaning. And then for migraine, and then this is deep heat. And okay, I also purchased intensive eye drops for my dry eyes. And this one, it's only 1 pound. Yeah, it's very cheap. So I'll give it to, you know, when I'm giving gift, and if it's so much, at least I have this bag. And then it's in Primark. Let's see in Primark. So Primark, I purchased this for my son. Alice, you need to check it. Because I realized my son doesn't have, he has some trouser, but it's a bit tight already. So he needs more. I mean, one at least. Like this. Because he has so many shorts. I just realized I purchased so much short and less like this. And then this one, this is sale from Primark. It's 9 pound and I purchased it 6 pound only, guys. My son have so many actually already, but yeah. Yeah, it's always nice to have this extra because He needs it
Maybe
anyway.
I would like if you're saying
And then
because it's like you're talking to
250.
yourself, right, guys?
It's 450 and I bought it 250 pound. Yeah, it's like what do you call this one? Like
might say yes,
grip, you know, like rubber something.
or you might say yeah.
Like that, slippery stuff. How you call it?
Two people said
I don't know how you call it.
that. This
And then I bought coloring pens.
not socks.
Yeah,
Socks.
coloring pens. And then
Maybe.
oh, this is actually nice. Minnie Mouse from £3. I purchased it £1 only, guys.
Mommy, look at my castle.
Oh, that's nice.
That is my
Why you
castle.
don't draw in the first page? You always go to
Mom,
the
it's because I didn't like this one.
like
It's
this.
because I didn't like this one.
Okay, Minnie Mouse, and
I
then
forced
this
it out.
is a sale again, $3.50 for this Sonic. Where's the receipt of this? Yeah, it's so cute. And then now let's go to B&M. So in B&M, I grabbed this £3 organizer again. Although it's $3.50, yeah, but I need organizer, guys, because I have so many things going on in my life and I need to organize papers, documents, like that, receipts. And then this one, weekly desk planner. It's actually nice also. Look, for 1 week, you know, weekly desk plan. So I guess it's nice also. Yeah, I'll give it to the teacher also, or for me. I need it for myself also. And then next is white ink for correction, like that, of course, you know. Then I bought this marker, whiteboard marker. And then this one's so cute, Minecraft, £3. £3 only.
Mommy, I don't play Minecraft, you know.
I know. And then some crayons. And then this one, my son likes this. Actually, he's not allowed to eat this. Like once a year.
Spicy noodles, but they're not spicy.
So my son is not
know
allowed
why.
to eat this, but maybe what I said, once a year, yeah?
Yeah.
Once a year he can eat. So sometimes he's craving for unhealthy foods.
Or
like
maybe 5 months.
every 5 months, yeah. Because you know it's not healthy, guys.
But
And
waiting
then
more than 5 months to
elastic
eat
band
them.
is
They're going to
£2.
eat today.
And then this eraser, so much, yeah, for eraser. And then sticky notes. I like to write so much, so I need these sticky notes. And I have so many passwords. And this one, it's, what do you think? It's so cute. It's £3.50. Yeah, looks nice. Enjoy the little things. That's what it says. And then when you open it, like that. It's simple, but I like that. Like nice, you know. And you can
Look at my castle so far.
yeah. Oh, that's very pretty.
And
And then the last
castle.
is some pens. Yes, why not, you know?
Since
Since I like to write, I need pens all the time. I think that's it, guys. That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoy. And if you didn't subscribe to my channel yet, please do subscribe and hit the bell
And you
button.
subscribe to my channel, guys.
Bye, guys.
Please. Please.